disasters are one of the disasters that often occur in various regions in Indonesia. Flood disasters often occur in big cities in Jakarta. Jakarta is a city in Indonesia that is prone to flooding every year. Floods are one of the most different disasters from humanitarian and economic perspective. As global temperature rise and weather patterns become more intense and uncertain, a serious threat is the expanding urban population and catastrophic flooding. Compounding the problem is the way the city has developed with irregular development. With irregular development and the creation of an urban form that expands and the airlines surface discussion changing in waterways that do not function because they are not absorbed by the ground. Jakarta is one of the cities that's in a prone flooding. Until now, flooding in Jakarta is still a big problem for both the government and the people. Flood in Jakarta caused by 14, for example, infrastructure that is not well organized and the people know rubbish carelessly.
Permukiman warga Kebonpala, Kampung Melayu, Jakarta Timur tadi pagi terendam banjir. Pos pantau di Depok, Jawa Barat telah berstatus siaga 3.
Air membanjiri permukiman warga Kebonpala RT 11 RW 05 Kelurahan Kampung Melayu, Jakarta Timur. Banjir merendam rumah hingga ketinggian 75 cm. Akibatnya warga beraktivitas dengan menerobos banjir. Banjir disebabkan meluapnya Kali Ciliwung atau kiriman dari Bogor.
Ya biasanya sih lebih dari segini, cuman ini dibilang siaga 3. Kalau bisa tuh yang di pinggir kali kayak di seberang, ada kemungkinan air nggak kemari semua.
Oh gitu, tanggulnya gitu Bu ya?
Tanggul kayak di seberang tuh, gitu.
Iya.
Gitu.
Ratusan rumah di Jalan Nis Cilandak Timur, Pasar Minggu, Jakarta Selatan terendam banjir dengan ketinggian 1 hingga 3 meter pada Selasa petang. Banjir meluas hingga merendam permukiman yang tersebar di 3 RT di Kelurahan Cilandak Timur. Sejumlah petugas dikerahkan untuk mengevakuasi warga yang terjebak banjir. Evakuasi dilakukan dengan menggunakan tambang akibat tingginya banjir dan derasnya arus. Untuk sementara warga ditampung di posko penanganan banjir yang sudah disiapkan oleh aparat lingkungan setempat. Banjir yang merendam permukiman terjadi akibat tingginya curah hujan hingga mengakibatkan meluapnya Kali Kerukut.
Ketinggian air berapa?
Ya 2 meter itu. 2 meter kalau di sini loh. Kalau di sana ya kurang tahu, pasti 3-an.
Nah kalau rumah ibu sendiri Bu?
Lah itu habis.
Sempat ada dievakuasi Bu?
Ya evakuasi masing-masing ini karena biasanya di sini karena warga dia nyari tempat yang tinggi aja dulu, ternyata begini banjirnya.
Many people are not aware to the dangers of littering, especially throwing rubbish in rivers. Their background in tourists will accumulate and make the water leaky and block the water. And when the rainy season arrives, the rubbish, the accumulation in the river will block the upstream and the stream water resulting in flooding. One way to prevent flooding in new urban food restoration urban infrastructure, which is resilient to social anxiety and insecurity in nutrition. The government should explore the land development in understanding the cause of flood. For example, men should explore the land development in understanding the cause of flood. For example, the application for flood modeling system. Pathways to multiplication infrastructure that came from multiple benefit as well as social, economic, and community interaction with flood management, inflation, and the efficient of flood recovery response. The challenge of urban flood management is now seen as how to treat raw water and the cost to state inflation. transportation system with architectural development characteristics the urban landscape.
Jakarta is not the only in Indonesia. The is proud to holding but many in city in Indonesia. 40 out by 4 Suais, Bekasi, Tangerang, and Depok City. Food in only the task of the government, but of all Indonesia people. The community task in reaches food in not to be especially in river in as many in the first mental will the government that is focused on astute urban food searches from modeling and evaluation and personal first arty of food from planning, economics, governance, and even social psychologies of public awareness.